Want to build a WordPress website but don't know where to start? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your local computer. Check it out. The first thing we need is a local server environment. In this video, I'm using XAMPP. If you have not, I've created a full tutorial on how to install XAMPP, so feel free to watch the video first. Okay, for the first step, open the XAMPP control panel. If you are a Mac user, you can find it inside Application, then open the XAMPP folder. The control panel is called Manager OS X. After opening it, select the Manage Servers tab and then start Apache and MySQL. Wait until the indicator circle turns green. If you are on Windows, just adjust accordingly. The interface looks very similar. If both services are running, we are ready to move to the next step. Now we need a database for our WordPress site. Open your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click New on the sidebar. Enter a name for your database, something like MySiteDB, and hit Create. That's it, our database is ready. Next, head over to WordPress.org. Click Get WordPress to download the latest version of WordPress. The download time depends on your internet speed. In this video, I speed up the download process so it doesn't take too long. After download successful, move that zip file into the htdocs directory inside your XAMPP installation. Extract the zip file. You will get a folder named WordPress. You can rename the folder to anything you want, for example, my site. Now open your browser and go to localhost/mysite. This will launch the WordPress setup page. On the database configuration screen, enter for database name, the one you created earlier. And username root. For password, leave it empty. Database host localhost. And then table prefix, you can keep it as is. Click Submit, then run the installation. Next, give your site a title and create your admin username, password, and email address. In this example, I intentionally use a weak password because this is only running on a local computer. But once your website goes online, make sure to use a strong and secure password. When everything looks good, click Install WordPress. After a few seconds, your installation is complete. Click Login and enter your credential. Alright, this is the WordPress dashboard. You can check how your WordPress site looks by clicking the Visit Site link at the top. And that's it. You now have a fully working WordPress site running on your local computer. You can start customizing your theme, installing plugins, and building your website completely offline. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.